Hello, this is Scott from Technology Integration Depot. Today we're demoing Infinite Worksheets Edition. It's an Adobe Flash product which runs on both PCs and Macs, and it gives you the capability of printing up to 159 unique edition worksheets. These worksheets are in several different categories. Let's take a look at this combo box down here. It has speed drills, computation worksheets, picture edition, in and out boxes, money, both United States and Canada, time, fractions, skip counting, inequalities, and decimals. You can decorate them with 16 frames. You've got, let's say, start with a solid line, dashes, many different choices. Licorice. Um, one I like the most is neon. It's up to you. You can decorate them in this manner. And down here you can print worksheets. You've got key on and key off. So you can print the blank for your students, the answer sheet for yourself. And you've got a JPEG button, which allows you to save these worksheets as JPEG files. Later you can load them into your favorite graphics program and decorate them with your own clip art, uh, your fonts, and you can actually sell them on TPT under your own name. If you buy this product, I have no copyright limitations, so you can create your own products to your heart's content. Let's take a look at the different types of sheets, starting with speed drills. And underneath speed drills, you've got one number by one number. You get some regrouping. Us old teachers call it carrying. Many different kinds. 2 by 2. You've got 25 per page. You got big numbers, 12 per page. In speed drills, there's 10 different kinds. Computation, there are 33 different worksheets. We've got one digits, 3 of them at a time, 20 on a page. So I'm just going to hit a few of these different ones here. Some have regrouping, some don't. Some are mixed. There's a mix. Move further down the list. You got 2-digit ones, 2 digits, 3 rows. Got all these different combinations. 2-digit 4 rows. And we get all the way down the bottom. 4 digits, 2 rows. You have all of these different combinations. You select them, print them, or maybe you click on that, print the answer sheets. Next category, picture edition. A lot of people like these. Here are the domino ones. We've got all these different pictures. We've got balls here. We'll go over a couple. Pets, different kinds of food. And then we got a whole selection here that have a blank answer. Kids add the first one, the second one, then they draw the third one. And there's an answer sheet again. Down at the bottom we have code worksheets. In this case we got the balls. First one's 6 plus a soccer ball. A soccer ball is worth 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here's our answer sheet there. Another category, in and out boxes. In and out boxes, we got 12 different worksheets. Single digit ones. Our rule is 5. And we've got different configurations of missing boxes. You even have some that you're missing the rule, and by looking at the patterns you figure out what the rule is. And then we have some with larger numbers. And you got another section down at the bottom. We've got 8 of them. There's less graphics. but you've got more examples here. Next worksheet type is money, along with the money ones. You have American coins, various different groupings of coins, and bills. Same with the Canadian coins, except I don't do bills with Canadian money, but I do include the $1 and $2 coins. Moving over to time. You have worksheets where kids identify the time in the boxes. Half hours, quarter hours, or a combination of all intervals. Again, is your answer on, off. Also have digital, where you're given the digital time and you draw the hands. Quarter hours, half hours, all combinations. And we have elapsed time worksheets. Start at 12. We move to 2. What's your elapsed time? Let's say you don't like that particular configuration. We can click on something else and then click back on the original, and then you've got different examples. Now this is great for those that are tracking student progress throughout the year. You may have the exact same goal, except maybe the correct rate is different. Let's say in the beginning of the year you expect them to get 50% of these right. Partially through the school year, 75, maybe at the end 90. You don't have to create different worksheets. You just go into this program again, print off different examples, and then away you go. And getting down to the end of the list, you have some of these where you've got an original time, how much elapsed time, and then you draw the hands as well. You have fractions, fraction worksheets. You can identify fractions. You can color in fractions. You can add fractions. Then a worksheet with similar denominators. Move down to skip counting. Count by 2s, 3s, 4s, all the way to 10s. You can have blanks no or yes. In this particular one, they give you a few examples along the way. Make sure that you're on track. Is your skip counting, in this case by 2s. All blank is yes. Then you're just skipping the first one, and then you go to the end. See, those are all the way up to 10. And then random ones. This is 9s, this is 2s, so they mix all the skipping together. So that's one of the harder ones. Again, key on, key off with the answers. Inequalities. Again, we're counting our graphics again. Count the footballs. There's 3 on this side, 2 on that side. 3 is greater than 2, so you'd go ahead and fill in the correct symbols. Then you've got the numbers on your worksheet as well. And some of these, you've got numbers. Compare the numbers, single digits, double digits. So you've got to add on both sides, and then you put the inequality in the middle. Gives you the answers on the sheet. And then finally, we've worked our way down to decimals. And you've got worksheets in tenths, hundreds, thousandths, mixed. So we've got some with hundreds, some with tenths, so they know how to line them up. We've got currency as well. And then we've got them go up to hundreds and thousands there as well. Now, let's say we like this one. I'm going to select for our frame blank. Some teachers may want to go ahead and decorate those. So I'm going to hit JPEG. And we'll call that one addition. Replace it. And we also want to have the answer sheet. We don't want to have our teachers have to do them all on our own. JPEG again. Call it addition key. Save it. And we're going to get out. I'm going to go to my graphics program, file open. And we're going to go to our demo folder. It's my addition worksheet. There it is. I'm going to set it up to 100%. And with that, I can go ahead and insert from a file some clip art. So if I'm decorating these, I'm going to sell them. Oops, didn't want to do that. Let's back that up. So you want to make a small little clock here, just for decoration. Likewise, insert from file. I've got an hourglass. It is kind of little. Keep moving the sheet. I'm going to put that over there. You can go ahead and with your text, you can go ahead and take a eraser, erase that, and then use your own text, word art, that type of thing. It's up to you how you want to go ahead and decorate it. Save it, and then you can insert that into TPT products. There you go. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and hopefully you'll find this software program useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.